What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're gonna show you a brand new earbuds, truly wireless earbuds. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come, of tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android, and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. If you want to get one of these as well, I'll link this down below. So here we go. This was just sent to me. It's called Xiaomi Air 2. We're going to go ahead and test this out today, unbox it, and show you what I really think about this. So let's go ahead and do that. Here we go. Pretty cool design. There you go. That's it for that. Just the case right there. The earbuds up here. Earbuds right here. Take that out. Bottom here is the charger. There you go. Some literature. And you're good to go. Let me just grab that earbud. So this is the literature right here. It's all in Chinese, so good luck with that. Let's put that on the side. But anyways, let's keep unboxing this. There you go. USB-C, so that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and open up the case right here. Little case right there. It's actually a quite nice case, like it's fairly small and nice finish on the back and the top right here. It's kind of like a, was that matte finish? It's pretty good. The inside is glossy finish, and you would just stick your earbuds right in there, just like that. And that's pretty good. It'll light up on the bottom, whatever the status of your earbuds might be. That's pretty good. Let's go ahead and put this on our ears now. Just like that. What do you guys think of that? I find this quite big, but it does feel good on the ear, so that's pretty good. Unfortunately, it doesn't suck into your ear or anything like that. It basically just sits there like the AirPods. So to pair your Bluetooth device, what you do is you go to Bluetooth, look for it on the very bottom on other devices, and there you go. Once it's all paired, it'll show you up here on the battery status right there, the accessories that you have. It's called the Mi Air 2, like I said earlier. So the Mi Air 2 actually is quite nice on your ear. Like you don't really feel it. It's just there, but it does get caught on my hoodie here when I'm moving my head around like that. But it won't fall off, so it's not bad. Let's go ahead and test out some music here. Let's go with the YouTube music here, and let's test out some music. See what it sounds like. Listen carefully and you'll hear a little bit of a leak on the sound. Here I also had the volume about like 3/4 of the way. It's not even 100% yet. There you go. So here I'm gonna test out different videos here. I test out the bass boosting one, which is alright. Like it has more treble than bass. It doesn't have noise cancelling either, so it really it doesn't have the thump that more expensive earbuds have. But I find that this is really good if you're watching or listening to a lot of vlogs and podcasts. This is very useful because it actually has a clear sound on the voice. But I wouldn't recommend this for music listeners. So as you can see here, I'm watching Unbox Therapy, and basically, yeah, the voicing and the language, you'll be able to listen very well to it. So for example, here we're gonna test out a bass booster, and there you go. We'll skip to the middle where there's a lot of bass. Like, you can still hear the bass, but it's not as good if it has the closure of the noise cancelling. I think this is pretty good, good enough for everyday use. Definitely is pretty good. Shake test, of course, right there. It doesn't fall off my ear, so that's pretty good. So not bad. Let's check out how much this would be. Let's see here. You can grab one of these if you are interested. I'll link this down below if you wanna check them out. The Air 2 you can grab for about $40 Canadian. So that's not bad. If you wanna get one really cheap earbuds, and you don't really care about the quality or whatnot, then you can go ahead and grab one of these. And that's it for today, guys. I was able to help you on your choice on the Mi Air 2. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, like I said earlier. And if I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell as well, so you can be notified of the next videos to come. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.